Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. So starting off the video, we're going to be using some Zoto Professional leave-in conditioner. Before I put this in, I did use their no lather shampoo as well as their daily conditioner, and my hair is just all bouncy and shiny and I love it. So I usually detangle my hair with a wide tooth comb, and I just feel like it gives me the most volume as well as definition for my hair. That's just me personally. Right here I was trying to form like a bang, but I feel like my hair is a little bit too long for a bang now. It's time for a cut, definitely, but I'm just gonna scrunch it up and hope that the hair dries that way. But we're going to be using the hair makeup from CurlSmith in the shade Copper. I suggest you use gloves with this. I don't know why I didn't put the gloves on at first, because it just gets all under your nails and stuff. But you can wash it off with water. All of this comes off with water. And it is temporary, so you don't have to worry about, oh, is it going to damage my hair? No, it's not going to damage your hair at all. So you could just see how I'm applying the hair makeup. I'm just gently brushing it across my hair, working that color in, but also trying to keep my curls intact, because I already basically styled my hair and put it in the position that I wanted it to be. So I'm just going over it just to make the color show. Now, the color is vibrant right now, but as it dries, it's going to get darker. So I suggest putting on another layer while it is dry. Now, you can apply this hair makeup dry or wet. That's the good thing about it. And personally, I usually like to apply it on dry hair, because then that's when it's the brightest. But in this case, I really wanted to show you guys how it would be applying the hair makeup to wet hair and dry hair. So now I'm just going to take some of the Zoto's soft defining gel in my hand, and then I'm going to add water to that gel. And I'm not putting the gel all on my hair. I'm just going to put it on the ends and scrunch it up. This gel is exactly what it says, soft defining gel. It literally makes your curls super soft and with a light cast. So if you like a gel that doesn't make your hair too hard, that's the gel for you. So now I'm taking my blow dryer that I got from Diva Curl. I like this diffuser because it's like literally a hand, and it covers your head and it's like drying every part. So that's the good thing about this, besides everything that's going on with their brand. But this is one of my favorite diffuser pieces. So I diffuse, just going around the whole head, trying to make sure that the scalp is dry. I'm going to be scrunching up my curls, and I was drying my hair on it was on, I believe, high heat with level 2 of like the air. So it was pretty hot, but I didn't want to put too much. So I'll go from like hot, really hot, and then I'll switch to cool. But I use the hot on my roots just so I can dry my hair fast. And then I'll use like the low heat or cool air on the rest of the curls. So as you guys see, my hair is about 90% dry, and you see that the transfer from my hair onto my fingers wasn't as much. So that's a really good thing. I was using the Creme Argan Oil and the Kaleidoscope Miracle Drops. I used the Argan Oil on my whole head, and then I used the Miracle Drops on my scalp because it promotes hair growth. And I got this scalp massager from Righteous Roots Oil, and I'm just working in that that oil on my scalp, because, you know, there's nothing wrong with a good scalp massage. But as you can see, this is my hair, fully dry. I got this from Collective Coils. It's another oil. I'm just scrunching out the crunch. But I did apply more orange on my hair, which made it brighter, as you can see from the last clip. So yeah, you guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, and subscribe. Send to all your friends and family. If you like my lip, please shop on my website at www.medinabastinado.com. And yeah, comment below and let me know if you would try this color. Bye, guys.